Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the introductions to the toolbar in Flipaclip. So if you are new to Flipaclip and want to master the toolbar, in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll walk you through each tool in Flipaclip's toolbar that will help you understand how to create amazing animations with ease. So in here, the toolbar consists of five major or five main tools that you can use. The first one is brush, where you can add a drawing to your canvas in here, and the default color is black, just like this. If you want to adjust the color and change the type of brush, you can just click on the brush in here or on the right side and choose the kind of brush that you want. Let's say I'm going to just go with choppy one in here. Okay, so I think I cannot do that. Let's just use the free one, the pan one in here, and you can adjust the color from here. You can change harmony value, so you can just choose which one. For the color, I'm going to just leave it in black, and in here you can also add some laurel if you want to. And if you want to change the thickness here, you can adjust from here and adjust also the opacity. And you can start your drawing by brushing off your brush just like this. And this one is the eraser, where you can of course erase something from your drawing just like this. And the third one is the lasso tool, where you can select your drawing, which one that you want to move. You can just choose which one, just like this. You can move around your design just by selecting just like this. Let's say I want to move the design to here and here. You can also select a specific part only of only specific part of your design, just like this. For example, you can move it like this, and you can also flip horizontally or vertically. And the next one is the fill tools, where you can add some colors to your drawing. You can just click on the fill in here and change the color again on the right side. Here I'm going to, let's say, change it into yellow. You can just add like this. And the next one is where you can add text. So you can just click on the text tool and tap on add in here on the right side, and you can just write something in here. And tap on done, click on insert, and the text will be added. If you want to edit the size and everything, you can also do it again on the right side. So that's all for me. That's how you can use the toolbars in Flipaclip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.